Hello everyone, we are Team Abhyuday. We recently participated in Mind Hackathon organized by Nirma University and in collaboration with Binghamton University. The problem statement that we worked on was the user needs to upload the quarterly result PDF of any stock, and we need to extract key financial metrics or information from the uploaded PDF with the accuracy of around 100%, right? So talking about the approach that we worked on, that we selected is, first we tried to extract the key information using OCR. So for that we use OCR.space API for extracting the key financial information from the PDF and from the images. But the problem that we faced is that it was extracting information in unformatted way. So in order to convert the unformatted information into the formatted way, we need to pass that unformatted extracted information to any LLM, which will convert that unformatted information to a formatted information, and then we need to again ask the LLM to extract the key financial information from that data. So, and also when we implemented that approach, we were getting a very low accuracy, because for the same PDF it was giving different results when we rerun it multiple times. So we directly dropped off that idea, and then we used a different approach. This was the website that we have developed. The user first needs to sign in using his or her Gmail account, and for implementing these functionalities we have used Firebase authentication. In order to upload the PDF, the user needs to click on Financial Report Analyzer. After this, the user needs to select the quarterly result PDF of any stock. So I am uploading the PDF test_PDF file. When the user will upload the PDF, we are directly passing that that PDF quarterly result PDF to Gemini 1.5 LLM model. And the main thing in order to achieve the accuracy of around 99 to 100% is the prompt engineering. Concept. We need to write the prompt in so precise way that we need to extract consolidated financial data of the company, and we don't need to extract the values of the standalone data. Or also the big companies like Infosys or other companies have many some branches, and in quarterly result PDF the data of sub branches or sub companies are also there. So we also need to ensure that the data of sub companies also didn't get extracted, right? So yeah, that's the main point, right? So as you can see, we have extracted the information. The total revenue is 555.84. let's check here. Yeah, it's correct, 555.84. The total income was 5968.48. yeah, so that's also correct. So yeah, as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. So when we were testing the accuracy, we find one problem, that the user needs to download the PDF in order to extract the key financial information. So we thought to eliminate that tedious task. So what we did is that the user just need to search the name of the company. For example, if he or she wants to get the data of the stock name Infosys, and he or she just needs to search the name of the stock. So yeah, as you can see here, I am getting all the required suggestions. So yeah, I am selecting Infosys stock. So the in background, what it will do is that it will extract our program will scrap the latest quarter result PDF of the Infosys stock, so the user does not need to download the quarter result PDF. And yeah, that's the entire thing is done automatically. So this is the PDF of Infosys latest quarter result. So as you can see here, it contains 193 page. So yeah, it can take around 25 to 30 seconds, and if the PDF contains less than 100 pages, then it can take around 15 to 20 seconds. So as you can see here, the key financial metrics are extracted from the Infosys PDF. Let's just check it. So in companies like Infosys, the net profit and entire everything are given in the US dollar terms also, and in rupees term also. So we also need to ensure that our LLM model should extract the information given in terms of rupees, and we also need to ensure that the units are assigned to all the values. So as you can see here, all the units are assigned, and it is extracting the information that are given in terms of rupees. So let's check the value. You can see that the revenue was 41764, and you can see here, yeah, it's 41764. And let's check some other value. The profit before tax is 9670, and Here you can see also, here you can see it extracted correct information. And let's say the user needs to compare this with this quarter result with some of the later quarter result. So we are also providing that functionalities. So here, as you can see, we are displaying everything in the structured format. You can see, let's say the user needs to compare the revenue with the quarter result of last three quarter results. So as you can see, he or she can compare it easily. You can also change it to last 6 quarter result or 1 quarter result, right? You can see March to 2013. You can compare it with all the quarter result. So yeah, so as you can see, we eliminated the entire process of downloading the entire PDF in order to extract the key informations. Yeah, and the third additional functionality is that we developed on top of it. This is AI stock assistant. So this is a very good functionality that we have developed. So here what the user needs to do is that the user just need to enter the name of the stock that on which he or she is performing research or analysis, or to get any kind of data. So let's say I have already given the name of I have already passing the name as Tata Motors. So then the user needs to press on download and process data button. So in backend, what it will do is that it will scrap the data related to Tata Motors from all the available sources. Like we are in this project, we are scrapping the data of investor presentation from investor presentation PDF, quarterly result PDF, and we can also scrap data from annual report. We can also scrap data related to news of Tata Motors, and yeah, and so on. And the user can ask any questions, and our model will try to answer it as precise as possible. And in order to ensure that the model does not hallucinate, it means it does not give false information. And for that, and in order to ensure that, we are using the concept of RAG, retrieval augmented generation. We first of all plan to use hybrid approach. The we thought to use the concept of retrieval augmented generation, and also cache augmented generation. But due to lack of time, we were only able to implement the concept of RAG. So in order to implement the concept of RAG, we are using the LangChain module in Python, and as LLM, we are using Gemini 1.5 flash LLM. So by this, we ensure that the model does not hallucinate any kind of information. If the model does not know information, that it will directly say that I don't know any information related to this question. So yeah, let's ask the question. I've already written a question to save the time, asking for key highlights of Tata Motors and financial information. So yeah, the model, it's running, right? So as you can see here, it's giving me the entire the highlights of Tata Motors. As you can see, the strong quarter 3 financial 25 performance. You can see here that it is using the latest quarterly result information in order to answer this query, and not the older quarter result, right? So you can see here that improved EV wholesales improved, backed by strong retail. So yeah, you can see the entire information. Tata Motors passenger revenue, passenger vehicle revenue, Tata commercial vehicles revenue, profit before tax, and all the information, and it's in detailed format. And in for this project purpose, we are just scraping the investor presentation PDF and the quarterly result PDF. In order to extend this furthermore, we can scrap data from various other sources, right? So yeah, that was the entire project that we have developed. So what sets us apart among all the other team was that, first of all, we build the core functionalities, and on top of that, we build two other extra functionalities. So yeah, that gives a major plus point to our project. The second thing is the UI UX that we have made. As you can see, the UI UX of this website is so clean and proper, right? And the third biggest advantage was that our 70% of our project was deployed. All the APIs that are used for searching the stock, for scraping all the data, for implementing the concept of RAG, is entirely developed on the platform named Render. Let me show you. Here you can see on the Render platform, we have deployed all the APIs, and these APIs are written using Flask. So yeah, that was the entire project that we have worked on. We can further extend this project too. If you have any ideas or suggestion, you are most welcome. Yeah, thank you so much.